I'm Francis Wilkinson.
And I'm Sara Hunton.
And we wrote Costs in Family Proceedings. Well, we had to. Nobody else had written it. And I found that once or twice a year I dealt with costs, and I could never remember what the rules were. And when you go into the family court practice, it's all there, but it doesn't really explain to you a lot about the everyday sorts of things you need to know in costs. What I've done, what Sara's done, is write the book that we wanted to have. So now we can refer to it, and if you want, so can you.
In our book, we begin by defining what we mean by family proceedings and which matters fall into this definition. We then look at the 3 different cost regimes which are applicable to family proceedings and when they apply. And these are, firstly, where costs follow the event and the rules are under the CPR. Secondly, where there's no order for costs. And thirdly, where in family proceedings, a clean sheet is adopted. After that, we go on to look at methods of funding by non-parties and the liabilities that may follow as a result of this. There's a significant chapter on public funding, which is necessary because of the massive changes that have occurred through the Legal Aid Sentencing and Punishment of Offenders Act in 2012. Then we look at how the court assesses costs. And finally, we look at the way in which cost orders can be enforced if they're not paid properly, and indeed the costs of enforcing a costs order. We hope that the book is helpful to all family law practitioners and that you will find it useful.
And we hope you'll find in it everything that you need from any aspect of costs, whether it's how to get funding for something or whether it's to get the other side to pay.